We're gonna put up a full motion TV Pro mount kit. Still in the box. That's my dog Sasuke. What's up, baby? Unbox it. Handy dandy screwdriver. Don't even come without it. This is what it looks like. You got some anchors, some screws. This is for the mount. Some more screws. Some more screws. Jesus Christ. How many screws they got? This is a remote or something? What is this? Oh, I got LEDs too. Oh, I did not know that. Oh, okay. So we're gonna put some lights behind the TV already. Guess this is the remote for the lights to change colors. This is the actual mount right here. Some of these, I don't know. Who knows what all this stuff is? So here's the instructions. Drilling template. Oh, okay. So you can put it on the stud already. Warranty. Parts list. Man, we know how to mount the TV. There's all the other stuff in here. Oh, how to attach the mounting plate to the TV. Gotcha. All right, let's get it done. All right, step one to installing a TV mount, finding a stud. Get your stud finder here. The way the stud finder works, let me see, I can take it out. Place it on the wall. It says stud. You're gonna slowly slide it across the wall, and you can read this. And there it is, it's slowly coming together. And it'll let you know the edge of your stud is right there. You keep going over, and it ends right there. So there you go, we're gonna mark it. Alright guys, if you don't have a stud finder, you can always use anchors, and you'll put a hole in the wall first, and then you would put your anchor in, and then you'll screw your screw into the anchor. But this is, me finding the stud. So that's the edge of my studs. So if I put the mount or screw holes in between there, I'll be good on the stud. So I think that's about the height for you to mount the TV. Or higher, we're gonna plan it out. Let's see, I'll be back. All right. Take my drilling template they gave me up in there for fire corrections. Should be a stud. That's a stud. Stud number 2. Good job. Stud number 3. So that's where we're gonna mount our template. 3 screws. And we can take this away. Alright, so we're back in the video. Alright, we got A and C out. We drilled our pre-hose already. Now it's time. This is for an anchor. Let's go back up to here. Drilled our pre-hose already. Now you put the anchors, well, not the anchors, the screw in, caps on, and the wire tie right there. All right, let's get to it. Alright, while you are installing your mount, they should have gave you a level. So if you didn't get a level, you want to make sure you purchase a level if one didn't come in your kit. You want to make sure you sit level on top of your mount as you're screwing it in. You want to make sure that your mount is level, so when you do install it flat against the wall, you'll have a level mount and it won't be a lopsided TV when you get to the wall. As you see, I just placed my level on top, making sure before I completely tighten it in, it's level there. Wider, hold on. Let me see if this is better. Zoom out. Alright, here it is. Testing the strength again. Third time. Alright, once you get your TV mounted on the wall, you can put the covers on. Again, each mount is different. This one came with covers for the base, so I just kind of covered the base. The top one was kind of difficult to put on, but with a little adjusting and finagling, I got it on. And then there you go. You have the TV mounted, and then after that, you'll take that little front part off and mount it to the TV. Right here, this little part comes off and to the TV. And go put it on the TV.